Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Education Times. Today I will show you how to create CPA marketplace account imonetize. Now I am click browser and now I am write imonetize. Click here. Now I don't have any account, that's why I am select sign up. Right here, enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email address, enter your password, confirm password, date of birth. Select your Skype. I want to use. Select what CP network you currently work. How did you hear about? And select and register. Now I will fill up this form. Mail on command and enter email address. Enter email address, enter password, confirm password. I'm not a robot. Now select date of birth, year, month and day. Select Skype, enter your Skype email address. I want to use Smart Link or CP offers. I am select both. And what CP network, Smart Link do you currently work? Last plus CPA full. Now how did you hear about? I'm right Google. And select this box and confirm register. Now I'm submitting this offer, then it says thank you for your registering. Your affiliate manager will connect with in a 3 working days via email or Skype address. When the affiliate manager knock, then you submit your documentation, then they approve this site. When you approve this site, then you look at your site such as this type. This is my. If you have any question and if you need any help, then please comment, please like this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching my video.